Hurricane Milton weakened overnight after slamming into Florida's west coast as a Cat 3 storm. Millions of people right now don't have any power.
Yeah, terrifying storm yet again. So there are also reports of deaths and injuries after a series of tornadoes last night. I want you to take a look at this. This happened late last night from the Sarasota area. You could just see how high the storm surge was as a weather truck was trying to navigate through a street that looks like a river.
Yeah, for more on the conditions in the Tampa area, we're going to go to one of our reporters from our sister station, WTSP.
Story in Ybor City is the power outages. On one end, you can see that there is light. Flip around with me, and you're actually going to see that the power went out on the opposite side of 7th Avenue as Hurricane Milton was passing through this way. And that's because of the heavy hurricane force winds that we felt. It's also caused damage in this area. Take a look at this 7-Eleven sign ripped off from the side of the building. We spoke to a few people who rode out the storm in their homes. Take a listen to what they had to say about what it felt like.
Everything was going good to around about 10:30, then all the power started going out. I mean, it was kind of scary. The winds were high. I saw trees falling all over the place.
The wind, the sound of it, I never heard nothing like that before. And basically, I just want to let everybody know when they tell you to evacuate or to go somewhere, please do that.
Tampa police currently surveying the damage in Ybor City and all across the city of Tampa, flagging things that are going to need to be taken care of as the sun comes up. Of course, when that happens, we're going to be able to see the full effects from Hurricane Milton. In Ybor City, Angelina Salcido, 10 Tampa Bay.
Yeah, things will look totally different when the sun does rise. Now, more than 3 million people don't have any power. That's according to the website poweroutage.us.